Once upon a time in the world of botany, there existed a peculiar seed known as the dreaming seed. This seed, scientifically named the lotus, has a unique ability to remain dormant for over 1,000 years, waiting for the perfect conditions to sprout. Now imagine a seed that outlives empires, patiently biding its time. This incredible longevity is due to its hard shell and the ability to withstand extreme conditions. When it finally awakens, it blooms into a beautiful lotus, symbolizing rebirth and resilience. Isn't it fascinating how nature preserves life in such a mysterious way? Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories.